So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Tanishk and today is 8th of August and right now the time is 9 o'clock. We did not attend our college yesterday just because we moved in and we have completed all the documentation work, payment work, and we started our bachelor life. We cleaned our apartment, so it took so long for us to settle down yesterday, and so we are good to go from today. The main hassle has been completed and the only hassle left now is traveling, because traveling from here to college and college to here is going to be a little bit expensive for a while, because we have only one vehicle and we are three of us, so tricky is not at all possible. And the rains are on and off here continuously, so let's see how this goes. For now, I'm going in auto with Arithro, and Harshil is coming by his vehicle because he has a raincoat, so uska jugaad ho gaya. So we need to find jugaad for two of us. So see you at the campus, and first thing first, I need to have my breakfast. I'm so hungry, so starving. Not a bad day, but just another day with another new experience. The auto guy has dropped me just at the beginning of the hill saying कि भैया गाड़ी पहाड़ पे नहीं चढ़ेगी तो आप पैदल चले जाइए. So I have to walk, and the roads are very beautiful and scenic, so it does not matter. So I'll enjoy this thing also, and luckily I don't have any backpack because today is just an document verification program, so one pen is more than enough. And one thing I love about the campus is it's in middle of the forest and on top of the hill. It's so beautiful and so peaceful, far away from the city. I'll stay silent for 5 seconds, and you guys will be able to listen the sounds of the birds and sometimes peacock also. Done and dusted for the day, dude. I'm sweating so badly. Walking 2 kilometers in the morning after taking a shower is completely different vibe, and that too without breakfast. Now I have to sit in the class under the fan so that I'll be normal. It's 11:40 and done with classes for the day, dude. इतना मेहनत करके इतना बड़ा पहाड़ चढ़ के 2 किलोमीटर पैदल आके क्लास अटेंड किया और क्लास 1 घंटे में बस ख़त्म हो गया. Not our mistake. The faculty has a meeting with a new director, so the class has been done for the day. So we are going to the IT lab, which is called as Mac Studio. We'll be getting our college mail ID. So and then we can exit. So I'll show you my campus when I get to know everything personally. This is SSVAP Studio 1. Da, 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 da. This is the Mac lab. Karo. So hey guys, maybe I'm the first student from SSVAP Symbiosis School of Visual Arts and Photography College. who is vlogging in the multi-cam studio with huge setup, huge lighting, and in a good infrastructure as well. So this is me, Tanishq, and behind the camera is Haritro who is shooting, and Harshil is giving aisa karna, and that's the big TV where I can see myself, and this is a camera from Panasonic. I don't know anything about the camera in detail, just enjoying the beauty by seeing it. That's it. भाई चेन रखे ऑटोमेटिक चेन लग जाएगा. I have seen all of these things on YouTube channel and I'm witnessing them in real and it's so beautiful, you know. बहुत amazing है यार. And this is multi-purpose room and I'm going to make a detailed vlog very soon. I'm planning to give you the drone shots as well. Let's see how this goes. And this is the Simbi canteen which is closed for now. भाई ये तो वो रोड है नीचे से देखे थे ना हम. We came all the way from there till here. So beautiful, so elegant. Very beautiful. Just like Symbiosis. Just like us. Just like us. Yeah. भाई बहुत sexy है campus. बहुत ज़्यादा. And those are hostels which are under construction. Not this thing. Under constructed और वहाँ पे. On the top वो जो top पे है ना वो भी hostels है. 8,000 students are studying in this campus, so obviously 6,000 people are staying on top of the hill for accommodation. Unfortunately, we are not. We are staying. We are not one of them. We are not one of them, and it's very sad also. Chalo, let's go. Done with walking in the morning, trekking in the morning, and cycling right now. And these are the students of other courses. They are having a walk around the campus. Very soon, we'll be also having a walk around. We already did a walk around ourselves. On our own, yeah. Yeah. But we need a detailed brief information from the college side so that I will be able to make an detailed cinematic video for the upcoming students who want to study at Symbiosis. And this is the main thing, Symbiosis International University. Dreams come true, man. Just study, work hard and stay consistent.